Sinner, you know he can record you. Sinner.
Let me know, dude.
Alright, bro. So, I'm gonna just start walking. You gotta release, bro. Oh, you're tense, bro. You gotta get laid. Alright, you could just like really take deep breaths. Hey, bro. It's because Oscar's very tense, bro. Oh, shit.
I felt that one.
There it is.
What else do you feel, Oscar?
Damn. There we go.
Oh, damn. I never.
How'd it feel?
I feel like I'm fucking 20 years old working for Caltech for the first time. Yeah.
Thank you, Luna. Another beautiful adjustment.